With web applications these days, we're back to the client-server style architecture, with many different clients attaching to the same back-end. For example, it's not uncommon to have iOS, Android and Windows applications that are working on phones, tablets or desktops. Web pages just become another style of application. The most popular architectures these days to talk to microservice backends are single-page applications, which just means you have one page in your browser that updates using AJAX calls, or service-oriented front-end architectures, which just refers to the fact that you're making REST calls. Let's have a look at some of the details. So this is a typical Sophia application. Here we have an application that is inside the browser that consists of HTML, CSS files and JavaScript files, and these are downloaded in one big chunk at the beginning. Once the application's running in your browser, REST calls are made to your back end to actually talk to your microservices. Normally the REST API is a front door type system with a myriad of microservices sitting behind it.